A very popular Goan breakfast is potato bhaji and puri. We call it batat bhaji in Konkani. Let's see how to make it. I have taken half kilo potatoes, boiled, cooled, and keep in fridge for 3 to 4 hours so that it is chilled. Peel the potatoes. Now you learn the technique to cut. Don't cut it into half directly. You have to make it into as thin strips as possible, the way it is shown, and then cut into small pieces. Smaller the better. We like it this way in Goa. The taste differs when you cut it very thin, very small, and big pieces. So we like it this way. This takes time to learn. Use a blunt knife, don't use a very sharp knife, and also use a smaller knife. Then it is easy to cut. Cut all potatoes in this way and check if some few pieces are remaining. Yeah. Cut green chilies. 4 green chilies for half kilo potato is what I use. If you want it spicier, you can add more. Chop coriander, 3 tablespoons. This was washed and drained. Heat a kadai. Add 50 ml oil. This is little less than quarter cup. Add mustard seeds, half teaspoon. Cumin, 1 teaspoon. Green chilies, turmeric, hing, and fry for a minute. Add 2 pinch Goan garam masala or any other garam masala which you have. Chopped coriander, 3 tablespoons, and 3/4 glass water. Bring it to a boil. Add sea salt to taste. Once it boils, add the potatoes. Stir, let it cook on low flame. All the flavors should go into the potatoes. Now the potato bhaji is ready. Adjust taste if you need more salt. Now this is perfect. We will serve it with puris. So let us see how to make puri. Golden and soft puris. 1 cup whole wheat flour. Salt to taste. Add very little oil, few drops, not more. You will get around 15 puris, small size. Knead the dough. Rest for 5 minutes only. Do not keep the dough for a longer time. It will become too soft and absorb lot of oil. Make small balls. Roll them. And roll them into puri, dipping it in oil each time. Do not make them too thin. They will not become round otherwise. Yeah. That's it. Make all the puris. Make 7-8 puris and then fry. This is easier. Heat oil. Put a tester, a small piece of dough, just to check if the oil is correct, is heated correctly. The dough should rise slowly. If it rises too fast, it is too hot. And if it doesn't rise fast, then also it is too cool. You have to wait for some time then. Fry puris on high flame, splashing oil like this. The puri was not golden, so the oil needs to be little more hot. We will do one more puri. The first puri is always difficult to know whether it will turn golden or not. We will put one more puri in oil. Flip it. Now this is correct. This temperature is correct. Maintain the temperature of the oil. Fry all puris like this till golden. You can see all the puris have turned golden and similar. Serve with potato bhaji. If you like my recipe, share and subscribe. Thank you.